Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use the custom view in Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I want to view this data in different way to showing to my manager, my client, and any other person. When I show this data to my manager, I don't want to show this column, so I will hide this. Okay, then you control Z. And when I want to show this data to my client, I want to hide this column. This is my net income. I want to hide this column, and then I show to my client, this is my revenue and this is my expense. Okay, that's it. Okay, when you show to the other person, any other person, every time you need to hide and hide this data. There is a one option available in Excel sheet. You can customize your view as your requirement. I just show you. Just click on the view tab, click on the custom view. You can add your view. This view I edit for myself. You can click on OK. Uh, and I want to show to my manager. I want to hide this column. Then again click on customizes, add view. This is for manager. Then click on OK. I don't want to show this net income to my client. This is for my client view. Then you can customize, add for client. Okay, click on the OK. This three view I edited. Then I click on the custom view. When I show the data to my manager, I click on the manager view and click on show. This is a manager view. Again I want to show data for myself. This is show for myself. This view for myself. Okay, I show to my client. This is for client. I'm showing this data to my client. Okay, this is a different way you can show to the different person your records, your data. Okay, if you want to delete this custom view, you can easily delete it. Click on the custom view, select those who want to delete view and click delete and click the yes button. If you want to client delete view, I want to delete the manager view, delete. That's it. Thank you.